Hi guys, it's Kay. I am back with another recipe video. This recipe is really easy and it is kid friendly. Alright, well, let's write down those ingredients. Let's get started. Okay, first 20-ounce bag of frozen French fries. Next, about a 12-ounce bag of mozzarella cheese. Next, about a half a cup of pizza sauce. And last, a small bag of pepperonis. Sliced pepperonis. Okay, now these next ingredients are strictly optional, but I do use them in my recipe today. Today, the optional ingredients I used are fresh parsley, Italian seasoned jalapeno slices, a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese, and ranch as the dipping sauce. We're just gonna spray lightly a cooking spray. And now we're gonna add the fries. And we're gonna cook these fries in the oven for about 18 to 20 minutes. First ingredient, cheese. Next ingredient, pizza sauce. Just drizzle the pizza sauce. Next, pepperonis. Alright, now usually this will be the last step and then you'll bake. But I'm going to be a little extra today. I'm going to add a couple more ingredients. So today I'm going to add Italian seasoned jalapeno slices. Gonna add a little more mozzarella cheese. Just a little sprinkle on top. A little dash of Parmesan cheese. Now we bake. Okay, now we're done. Take it out of the oven. Now we're done. To top it off and to finish it off, top it off with fresh parsley. This can be served with an extra dipping sauce of pasta sauce, or you could also use ranch. Let's dig in. I'm gonna try a little piece with jalapeno and pepperoni. That's so good. All right. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Cooking and kisses. Bye.